Hey everyone, I'm Kaya with exercisesforinjuries.com. Welcome to today's video where I'm going to take you through a workout that you can do to lose fat when you are short on time. So a lot of people, their main concern is being too busy to get a good enough workout to lose fat. This is a 15-minute workout, high intensity workout that you can do to lose fat quickly in only 15 minutes in a day. Okay, so how this is going to work is there's a warm-up that will take you about 5 minutes, and then you get into a 15-minute workout. In the workout, you're going to go through the exercises I'm going to show you as a circuit, and you're going to go through as many rounds as you can in 15 minutes, taking a break whenever you need it, but trying your best to go for that whole 15 minutes. So the warm-up is just 2 exercises. It's going to be the first one is jumping jacks, so just a classic jumping jack, jumping out and back in. You're going to do 30 of those, and then you're going to move into some side shuttle runs. So if you don't have a lot of space like me, you can just go back and forth through your room. If you're outside, you can set up cones about 20 yards apart, and what you're going to do is you're going to side shuffle to one cone, side shuffle back to the other one, and that's 1 repetition, and you're going to do 4 repetitions. So if you have that space, the 20 yards, you're doing a 40-yard shuttle run, and that's 1 repetition, and you're going to do 4 of those. If you're in a small space like this, just go back and forth for like 30 seconds to 45 seconds. We just want to get the heart rate up, start warming up the body. Then once you finish that, you're going back to those jumping jacks, and you're going to do each of those things 3 times. So jumping jacks to the side shuttles, jumping jacks to the side shuttles, and then jumping jacks to the side shuttles. So that's your superset warm-up. So now we're getting into the actual workout. You should be all warmed up, ready to go. Like I said, 15 minutes, as many rounds of this as you can, resting briefly whenever you need to. The first exercise is a reach out push-up. So we're coming down to our mat, getting in that push-up position. So we're up in that high plank, we're lowering down, push up, and then reach forward with one arm. Come back, reach forward. And you're doing 8 repetitions of this reach push-up. All right. Second exercise, body weight squat jumps. You're doing 10 of these. So you're lowering down to your squat, knees stay behind the toes, then you're jumping up and you're landing softly back in that squat position. And like I said, you're doing 10 of these. Third is pull-up. So if you have a pull-up bar and you can do a pull-up, you can do that. You might even use a big resistive band to help you with the pull-up. If you don't have that, that's okay. You can do T-bar twists. So we're back in that kind of push-up position. From this high plank position, we're coming to one side to a side plank. So I'm reaching up, stacking my feet, coming back around the other side. That's 1 repetition. Back to the other side. That's 2 repetitions. And you're doing 7 total. So it was 8 of the push-up with the reach, 10 of the squat jumps, 7 of that. Your last one is burpees, and you're doing 6. So our burpees, we reach down, jump back into that plank. Really engage your core here. Don't let the low belly fall down. Jump back and up. That's 1 repetition. That's 2 repetitions, and you're doing 6. So that's the circuit. That's 1 round. So you're going through that circuit as many times as you can in 15 minutes. So the reach out push-ups, 8 reps. Body weight squat jumpers, 10 reps. Pull-ups or that T-bar twist, 7 reps. And then burpees, 6 reps. So you can tell I'm already out of breath and I've only done part of the circuit. So it's all about intensity when we do these short workouts. So you can get great results, a ton of you can get an amazing workout in 15 minutes, but it's up to you to keep that intensity up. So if you're finding, oh, this isn't too bad as you go through, you're not working nearly as hard enough, and you're not going to get results by doing only 15 minutes if you're not working at that maximal intensity. So listen to your body, take a break whenever you need it. Make sure you're not pushing past any sort of unhealthy levels, but making sure that you're working yourself and getting the best workout you can in that 15 minutes. So I hope you give this workout a try. If you do, let us know in the comments below, or if you have any questions. And of course, if you liked this video, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video. So thanks for joining me. I'm Kaya with exercisesforinjuries.com, and I hope I will see you in another video. Take care.